Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here in fabulous Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, right in front of this pyramid, which means I must be in front of the Luxor Hotel and Casino, right between the Mandalay Bay and the Excalibur, somewhere back there. Anyway, gonna go inside, check it out, see what's new, if anything's new here at Luxor. Come on along with me, let's go check it out, shall we? The Luxor opened in 1993 and was renovated and expanded several times since then. Later renovation work modernized the design of the property and raised the hotel's capacity to 4,407 rooms, including 442 suites. Luxor, by the way, was named after an ancient Egyptian city. The tram that you saw going overhead actually commutes between three properties here on the southern end of the strip, three MGM properties, not only Luxor, which is in the middle, but also Mandalay Bay, which is to the south of Luxor, and Excalibur, which is to the north. If you're looking for a lower-priced hotel and casino here on the Las Vegas Strip, or at least a lower-priced MGM property here on the Strip, Luxor and Excalibur are the two properties to be looking at. Luxor is over 30 years old now, and there's always been rumblings lately about it being torn down and a new property being built here. Nothing ever seems to come of those, so we'll see what happens in the future. I will say I've heard some people talking about the standards and condition of the building, not so great. I've visited all the public areas. I've never stayed here. I have no issues with the building whatsoever, but I suggest if you plan on staying here to check out some travel sites and read the reviews before booking your room. The property is also located pretty far south on the Strip, so take the location into consideration too when planning out your trip. But always keep in mind this is a value hotel, so you get what you pay for. Or should I say, you don't get what you don't pay for. This lounge is called Aurora, and it features unique lighting effects across the ceiling based off the Aurora Borealis, or the Northern Lights. This sports bar is called Public House, a popular East Coast hangout. Public House opened its first West Coast location right here at Luxor. This is HyperX Arena Las Vegas. HyperX Arena Las Vegas is the ultimate competition gaming and entertainment experience on the Las Vegas Strip. This is Flight. The comfortable furniture and high energy make Flight Bar a great place to party. This is Tender, the steakhouse here at Luxor, and the website says it offers one of the most impressive selections of dry and wet aged steaks you'll ever experience. This is Backstage Deli. Imagine deli-style foods in a New York-themed setting. For a quick bite on the go, stop by Backstage Deli. The sportsbook here at Luxor is rather small and unimpressive. If you're not actually betting on a game, I'd take my butt over to the Public House Sports Bar for a cold brew to sit down and watch the game comfortably. The buffet at Luxor is actually downstairs, and I've never tried it, and for good reason. I have never heard a good thing about the buffet at Luxor. This is Pyramid Cafe, kind of like a breakfast or brunch place. It's a great way to start the day. You can get your chicken and waffles here, from what I'd stand are pretty good, and also the pyramid stacks are good as well. Hold on tight. This is Diablo's Cantina. Diablo's unleashes its unique brand of south-of-the-border dining and drinking. This is Bodies the Exhibition. Bodies the Exhibition has been experienced by more than 15 million people worldwide. I saw the exhibition over at Bally's. I'm not sure what the difference is, but that one was quite interesting. The video is available here on the New York channel. Titanic the Artifact Exhibition is also here at the Luxor. Travel back in time and experience the wonder and tragedy of the world's most famous ocean liner, Titanic.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Now that I'm doing cruise videos here as well on the New York channel, I should pick up a couple of those Titanic t-shirts and bring them on board. Also here is King Tut's The Experience. Celebrate the 100th anniversary of finding the lost tomb of Tutankhamun by discovering King Tut's tomb, now at Luxor. Lots to see here as far as exhibitions and experiences. Quick shout out to Cricket Bustos, who found Clarice the Miss America crown in one of my latest Atlantic City videos, the Tropicana North Tower Room Tour, as well as a shout out to Wise Malik, who once again found Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, in the latest Las Vegas video, Italy. Congratulations guys, good eyes. The food court here at Luxor has a nice variety of restaurants, including Original Chicken Tender, Nathan's Famous, Johnny Rockets, Banano's Pizzeria, LA Subs, as well as a Starbucks. The Atrium Showroom is home to the famous Carrot Top Show, as well as the Fantasy Adult Burlesque Show. This Asian restaurant has been closed for years, and I do know there are some kind of plans going on for this spot. I don't know exactly what they are. If you do know, I'll leave a comment below, and if I find out, I'll let you guys know, but there is something in the works, I'm pretty sure. Straight ahead was the entrance to the Mandalay Place Mall, which brings you eventually to the Mandalay Bay Hotel and Casino. That's another video. And here we have the Blue Man Group, which has its own theater as well as a retail store. A nice shot of the inside of the pyramid. Those are all room balconies looking indoors, and from what I understand, those elevators, which are actually called rollitators here at the pyramid, are kind of rickety and not very efficient. Back downstairs, we'll check out the casino, and this lounge is called Centra. This centrally located social scene is an exotic yet welcoming escape surrounded by all the casino action. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.